Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are taking a closer look at Perchance AI in 2026. While almost every major AI tool on the market has locked its best features behind premium paywalls, Perchance continues to stand out by remaining completely free to use. Let us look at what makes this platform a massive asset for content creators. Perchance gives you direct access to over 18 different AI image generators right from your browser. This includes high-demand open-source models like Flux AI, SDXL Lightning, and SDXL Flash, tools that usually require paid credits or high-end hardware to run locally. But it does not stop at images. The platform allows you to create custom chatbots, text adventure stories, and specialized text generators without ever signing up for an account or providing a credit card. The secret to this freedom is its community-driven system. Thousands of user-created templates and specialized engines are available instantly. If you need a specific style or tool, chances are someone in the community has already built a generator for it. However, because it is an open playground with no premium tier, there are some trade-offs to keep in mind. Image resolutions can sometimes be lower than what you get from heavy commercial alternatives, and overall quality can vary depending on which community model you select. During heavy traffic periods, you might also experience slight queue delays, since server resources are shared globally. Finally, because the platform is highly unrestricted, users should navigate the community character and chat sections with common sense awareness regarding safety and moderation. The final verdict? Perchance AI is a phenomenal resource for rapid prototyping, brainstorming, and asset generation. It proves that free, open-source AI tools can still deliver serious utility for creators. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Hit the like button and subscribe for more direct tech reviews and tutorials.